Very good morning, everyone. It's George Bayruthi from FS Securities giving you the market report for Wednesday morning, the 30th of March 2022. Let's go and see what happened overnight. Wall Street was up 1%, and so is the S&P 500, 1.2%, and Nasdaq had a good day, 1.8%. BHP in New York was up 0.1%, however here for the second day in a row, down slightly. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 index, which comprises most major European markets, was up 3% thanks to Germany's DAX. And our futures are indicating that the market most likely will open 56 points higher, that is 0.8% to 7,500. Spot gold was down 0.3%, trading slightly above 1900 US per ounce. Brent crude oil down 2.5%, $109.72 US per barrel. Remember, at one stage Brent crude oil was 140 US about a month and a half ago. West Texas crude oil down 2%, and iron ore price was slightly up 55 cents at $152.95 per ton, slightly above yesterday. And if you can see that a few days ago, it was down slightly below 148. The Australian dollar trading at 75.1. Bitcoin this morning trading at 47,700, slightly up from yesterday. And it trades in Australian dollars at 63,600. Okay, let's go and see some more information about the stocks with higher volume. You can see here Qantas yesterday, the volume was 1.5 times the average volume. This is the 50-day average volume, and you can see 9.5 million is average volume, and yesterday we've seen 14,400,000, and the price was slightly up, about 0.1% higher. Dexus for the second day in a row, the volume was 1.4 times and the price was 1.8% higher. Stockland, the volume was slightly above the average and 1.2% higher. In the mid-cap, Service Stream 3.9% high in price, and the volume was 2.5 times the average volume over 50 days. And you've got other companies as well. We may actually spend some time looking at each of those companies and make further recommendations about whether they're fair value or not. As a matter of interest, you can see here that Service Stream traded yesterday at 1.07, and the fair value is actually $1.5, $1.51. So there is value here. Estia, forget about Estia. Baby Hunting, now it's slightly below its average price. Alright, so we move on to the stocks that happen to be active. Let's go to homepage. And by the way, this is the homepage of the full 50-page article that we publish every morning. If you want to subscribe to it, all you have to do is call us. Most active, you can see here the company Block was up nearly 7% yesterday. Core Lithium 5.8%. AVZ 4.2%. The reason why it's purple, I'll explain. The purple, it means 7 days in a row has been up. So yesterday was up 4.2%. Aztec was 4% higher the day before. And again, if you go further down, you see AVZ was 3.2% higher. And once more, AVZ was 7. So in other words, the last 4 days we've seen AVZ up nearly 15% or close enough to 15%. And that is all from us here at FS Securities. Trade safely and wisely and have a fantastic day.